watch how I do it. How I do it. Just watch how I do it. How I do it. Just watch how I do it.
Yeah,
How I do it.
how I do it.
Just watch how I do it.
Check it out.
How I do it.
Come on.
Say what's up, hello, hola.
Yeah.
Out with the yo, say au revoir. I got all kinds of wow. I make it go bang, boom, pow. I got the magic touch. Everybody's latest crush. I'm supersized, larger than life. Welcome to the jungle, to the wild side. I got to show you what I'm all about.
Show ya.
I got something, I got to show you how. I got to show you what I'm all about. I got something for you. Just watch how I do it. Let me show you what I do. What I do. Just watch how I do it. Yeah, this is how I do it. How I do it. I got to show you. Let me show you what I do. What I do. Just watch how I do it. Yeah, this is how I do it. How I do it. Just watch me. Watch me how I do it. I'm classic, fantastic, abracadabra, I'm magic. And I'm sending.
Sorry for interrupting the latest film from Airkewld. Just want to tell you about our ProBuilt flip spindle service for the Type 2 buses, 55 to 67. We offer the service to lower your Type 2 bus 3.5 inches. We put new oil impregnated bronze bushings, do the flip service, the machining, the gusseting, reverse tapering, all bead-blast like you see here. Shipping included both ways for one low cost. This service is a US only. Please see below for details, cost, and availability. Now back to the film.
Out these good vibes and electric waves. Take a ride with me and we're walking on these golden rays. Ain't anything like you ever seen before. I'm everything and more. I got to show you what I'm all about. I got something, I got to show you how. I got to show you what I'm all about. I got something for you. Just watch how I do it. Let me show you what I do. What I do. Just watch how I do it. Yeah, this is how I do it. How I do it. I got to show you. Let me show you what I do. What I do. Just watch how I do it. Yeah, this is how I do it. How I do it. Just watch me. Watch me how I do it. Watch me how I do it. Just watch how I do it.